Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change wallpaper on Vivo lock screen and home screen of Vivo X200 FE or FE Pro. If you are using Vivo X200 and now you want to change your wallpaper of lock screen and home screen, so let's see how can you do this. There are two different ways. The first way is that you just have to press and hold on your an empty place on home screen, and here just select wallpaper. From here you will get the different wallpapers which you can select. You just have to tab on any wallpaper to select it. As you can see, I have selected this one. Now it is the wallpaper of my home screen and the lock screen. Now the second way is that you just have to open your Themes app in your phone. From here, just go to local or profile icon, tap on it, and here select local wallpapers. From here, you will get all of your wallpapers. Where there are some system wallpapers and the downloaded wallpapers. You just have to select one of them which you want to set as your own wallpaper. And I'm going to select this one, so just tap on it and then tap on apply. From here, you have to select lock screen and home screen, or lock screen or home screen. Just select which one you want to choose, and after that your wallpaper will be changed. There is another way. You just have to open your phone settings. From here, just scroll down, look for home screen and lock screen and wallpaper option. Just tap on it. From here, just select this wallpaper and you will get all of your wallpapers. You just have to select one which you want to choose. Just tap on it and then tap on apply. From here, just select and which you want to set your wallpaper. Just tap on it, and after that your wallpaper will be successfully changed. So that's how you can easily change the wallpaper of lock screen and home screen on Vivo X200 FE or FE Pro. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.